In national news, Donald Trump has asked a New York appeals court to reverse his gag order and move his hush money criminal trial out of Manhattan in an 11th hour bid for a delay. This is just a week before it is scheduled to begin. A judge in the state's mid level appeals court was to hold an emergency hearing on Monday afternoon after the former president's lawyers filed paperwork challenging Manhattan Judge Juan M. Merchan's pretrial rulings. Now, the documents were placed under seal, but a person familiar with the matter told the Associated Press, where we're getting this information from, that they pertained to Trump's gag order. This recently expanded to prohibit comments about the judge's family and the Republicans' desire to move the trial out of the heavily Democratic Manhattan area. The person was unauthorized to speak publicly and did so on the condition of anonymity. Now, messages seeking comment were left for Trump's lawyers, the Manhattan District Attorney Office, and a spokesperson for the New York State court system. Former President Trump had pledged to appeal after Merchan ruled last month that the trial would begin on April the 15th. His lawyers had pled to delay the trial at least until summer to give them more time to review late arriving evidence from a prior federal investigation into the matter. Former President Trump has also made numerous other attempts to get the trial postponed, echoing a strategy he's deployed in his other criminal cases. We want delays, former President Trump proclaimed to the TV cameras outside of a pretrial hearing in the hush money case. The New York judge has yet to rule on another defense delay request, which claims that Trump won't get a fair trial because of prejudicial media coverage. Trump has suggested on social media that the trial should be moved to Staten Island, the only New York City borough he won in 2016 as well as 2020. A state appeals court rejected Trump's claims, and the trial started as scheduled. This was back in October. The New York Judge Merchan also last week rejected his request to delay the trial until the U.S. Supreme Court rules on presidential immunity claims he raised in another of his criminal cases. We'll, of course, bring you more information on this story as the story unfolds.